So forget about 4,000 watch hour, forget about 1,000 subscriber before you get monetized. My name is Bright and I teach beginners how to make money online. Okay, so there is a platform that is booming right now that doesn't require 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber before you get monetized. So say people are getting frustrated on meeting up this criteria that YouTube is bringing before you start making money. So in this platform, it is just like YouTube, but it doesn't require all these criteria, policy, and all the rest. Okay, so this platform, I'm going to walk you through on how you can use this platform. Okay, so if you're first time to come across my video, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, so this platform is so amazing, this platform is so wonderful because there's something I want to tell you. Okay, so this is a friend of mine that started YouTube before me, almost 1 year plus before I start content creation. Okay, so this guy, could you imagine that this guy stay up to 3 to 4 years? This guy have not got monetized up till now. As I'm telling you, his channel have not got monetized, but it took me 3 months for me to do that amazing work. Okay, but I he keep on frustrating people, so I start doing my research if I can get any other platform that can monetize someone content without requiring all this criteria. Yes, and I found this platform. I found this platform that was last year. Okay, I was just doing it and watching it if it will work. Okay, but to my greatest surprise, this thing worked perfectly. It's something is so amazing. I just post my content and start making money without all this threshold, meeting up their demands that YouTube are doing. This platform is so amazing. I don't want you to skip any part of this video. I'm about to do that video right now. Okay, I'm about to do it, so I'm just making this video so that you will know what I'm about to do. Okay, so please follow me.
So the name of this app is called Rumble. Okay, so we'll come to this place. We're going to type Rumble. Okay, type Rumble. So as you can see, we'll click. So look at it here, Rumble. Okay, so this is Rumble we are talking about. As I said before, now it's just like YouTube. So this is where everything is happening. So I'm going to walk you through on this platform. Please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will not get restricted. Okay, so that you understand everything before you start using this platform. Okay, so right now this is the face of Rumble. As you can see, if you scroll down, everything is just like YouTube. Okay, so look at other people that are posting their content. Okay, so look at it. So the first thing we have to do is to sign up in this platform. Okay, so we are going to sign together. Okay, so I'm going to walk you step by step. Let's do this together. So as you can see, sign in or sign up, because I don't have account already, so I'm going to sign up with you. So I now click sign up. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see, create a Rumble account. Already have a Rumble account, sign in, enter your account details and get started. Okay, now let me use any of my email here. Okay, so let me use this one. Okay, no. So I'm going to put my email. Okay, so I'll now type B. So I'm going to add my email right now. Okay, I will now put my month of birth. Okay, let me just say August, then just 15. Which year will I choose? Let me just choose any year. Let me just say this. Okay, 1990. I'll now click next. Okay, so let's wait and see how it's going. Okay, so as you can see, I click, so it's verifying. Good. So right now, as you can see, basic information, tell us a little about yourself. Enter your account details and get started. Okay, so require username, gender and country. So I will now just type. Please make sure you use a nice username. Okay, let me just say BD. Okay, money, then gender male, country Nigeria. We'll scroll down and look for Nigeria. Okay, look for Nigeria. Okay, look at it. You click, then you tick this place and continue next. Okay, so you tick this verify. So it's going to require a strong password. Okay, it's going to require a strong password. So as you can see, create a strong password to keep your account secure. Choose a password with a mix of letters, number and symbol, at least 8 characters. Okay, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 special character, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number. Are you getting it? So okay, right, $5. Okay, this one the same. You can just copy this and come down and press it. Okay, good. So if I click next, so they are going to send me a code to my email. So what I have to do is to keep my email ready so that I can grab the password. For those that are using Android or iPhone, that is how this works sometimes. They may send code for you. If you want to minimize it, to go and get the code. While coming back, you have to start afresh. So some phones are like that. In case when you first start little challenge, you know how to, tackle it. So I'm just to inform you. Okay, I'm just informing you. Now click. Okay, as you can see, enter your code we sent to your email. Okay, check your spam folder. Now I got the email because they sent the email because I use my phone now to collect. I am using system, but I have gotten the code on my email on my phone. Okay, so I'll now type it 69, yeah, 69. Okay, so if you have a system, you can still do the same. Then I click next. Good, nice one. Have you seen how simple it is? Okay, it's not hard at all. Look at welcome to Rumble, BD Money. Are you seeing it? Let's figure out what content you are into. Are you seeing it? So I have registered on this platform. This Rumble have registered. Okay, so I am part of this platform right now. So I am going to walk you through, tell you some certain things on how you can use this channel, show you how to optimize it, show you everything you need to know about this platform. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time you come across my video, please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Let's continue. Okay, now find your interest. I click. What are you into? What are you into? Select at least 3 interests to personalize your Rumble experience. Okay, health and science, news, gaming, sports, music, podcast, entertainment, financial. Let's say entertainment, financial, and let me just use that 3 for now. Then I click next. Okay, here are some creators that you may like. We have gathered some channels based on your interest. Follow a few channels to see their content in your feed. Okay, click this one, click. I'm done. Then you next. Good. So this is it. This is my field. Are you seeing everything that's happening in this platform? This platform is so amazing. Are you seeing it? So I'm now part of this platform. So let's go to home. Let me walk you through. You click home. So as you can see, picks my fields: shorts, gaming, financial and crypto, live, sports, viral, slicks, podcasts, leaderboard, folk, news, health, and all the rest, entertainment and cooking. So as you can see, so in this platform, look at its field, shorts, the same thing. Now let's continue. Okay, now let's assume that if you want to post a video, if I want to demonstrate much more about this video, this is very going to be long, but this place is, if you want to post a video, you can click here. It will take you to where you can pass. You can see, enter video title, description, categories, secondary categories, and all the rest. If you click here, it will take you to where you can select your video in your system, as you can see. So this is how this platform is work. Okay, so now this place, if you click ad free, so Premium, Rumble Premium, enjoy an ad free viewing experience and other benefits. As you can see, look at them here. So that is how that place works. This platform, if you post a video and the amount of views that you have determine the amount of money you are going to earn on this platform. Okay, so this is how this platform works. It doesn't require 4,000 watch hour, as I said earlier. It doesn't require 1,000 subscribers. This platform, as you are posting, you are getting views and you are getting your money. Okay, so this is how this platform works. Rumble is a leading, after YouTube, yes, it's Rumble. It's one of the leading entertainment platform where you can post your content and start making money. Okay, so this is how this platform. I will advise you, don't waste time as you are posting on your YouTube. Also download this, fill the necessary information as you have seen in my video tutorial. I just teach you, just watch now how to register on this platform. Okay, so get into it, register and start posting. Okay, consistency is the key to success. Okay, as you are posting on your YouTube, as you are posting on your Facebook, also as well post on this platform. Okay, because this platform is going to give you money, generating money before YouTube starts. Okay, because when you post, you earn money. Okay, and their revenue is high also. Okay, so this is how this platform work. If you want me to do a video on how much you can get per 1,000 views and how to set up your accounts on that, just drop a comment in my comment section. Whatever thing that you don't understand on this platform, you need more understanding, please drop a comment for me. Tell me what you want me to do for you. I will respond to you immediately. Okay, please, if you're first time to come across my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Thank you so much, and I love you. Shalom.